Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So there's been a little bit of volatility today, especially in the NASDAQ, especially in some of these big gainers. You know, it's the end of the year. You definitely have people wanting to lock in some profits before the end of the year, especially on some of these high flyers. And then, you know, you also have a little bit of cracks underneath the surface as well, as we've seen. Some of the main, stocks that have rallied so hard start to selling off. I mean, that can be a serious sign of a deeper pullback that is yet to come, but it also could just be a little bit of the end of year shenanigans. So what I'm watching for is, are these high flying stocks, AMD, NVDA, are they going to be able to hold these key moving averages? Yes or no? Now, obviously, I don't know the answer to that yet. It would be cool to know, but my crystal ball is not working right now. So what am I doing? Well, I'm watching their key moving averages. On the daily chart, the 50, the 100, and the 200, I mean, these are just really important lines in the sand. Institutions use them, traders use them, and the thing is that if they break those areas, it's going to fall real hard, real fast. However, if they hit here and hold, we could see a fantastic end of year rally. So I'm watching these one way or another because I do want to pick up more shares of stock in both of these companies, and I also want to continue trading them in the options market. Now, what I'm looking for is a rally on the lower time frame chart. Now, normally I like to see it on at least a 30-minute chart. 78-minute chart's even better, just because you can get some false triggers on a lower time frame. Like if you're using a 15, for example, it'll trigger you in, and then it'll kind of roll over again, and happened again right here. It's not 100% foolproof, but it's a good way to narrow down tickers instead of just buying them when they're on the way down. So when you're looking at AMD, for example, what I want to see is I'd want to see a hold at support at that 50 simple. Then I'd want to see the candles starting to trade higher. I'd like to see them shift from red to yellow to dark green and then bright green. And I'd also like to see the price shift from being below the moving averages to above the moving averages. And I'd like to see those moving averages cross. And if I could get that on AMD and NVIDIA, that would be a buy signal. I'd add more shares of stock. I'd sell put credit spreads down at these key moving averages and add in some more long butterflies. Now, if that does not happen, and if this just breaks the 50 simple on high volume, I mean, look out below, down she goes. Your next area of support would be 120. And I'd do the exact same process again. It's like, is this holding? Yes or no? Is it time to get in? Yes or no? Overall, I mean, I like the semiconductors a lot. I think that, obviously AMD and NVIDIA have been some pretty high flyers. So to keep hammering those names is a little crazy maybe. But at the same time, semiconductors aren't going anywhere. They're just even more in demand than they've ever been, and that is going to continue to be the case. And especially with this squeeze setting up on SMH, I just got to keep playing just alongside. So that is my take today. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Other than that, I do have live trading in my mastery tomorrow. So if you are a part of my mastery program, I will see you there. If not, you can check it out at simplertrading.com/profits. That is going to be my trade alert service. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.